Unit 4, Beautiful Nature, Grade 5. Words in Action, We Can, Term 1. This is how we're going to explain the lesson. First, we're going to start with the introduction, then we have the presentation, then conclusion. Introduction. Unit 4, Beautiful Nature, Words in Action. In your book, page 32. Lesson objectives. The students will be able to give the opposites of given words correctly. Number 2, the students will be able to describe and guess what or who. Presentation. New words. Opposites. 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 The opposite of long is short. The first one is long. This is a long. This is a long snake, and here we have the second picture is short. Long, short. The opposite of long is short. The opposite of big is small. Big, and the opposite is small. Okay, big. The first picture is a big bear. The bear here is big. The second one, it's small. صغنون, small. The first picture, we have strong. This guy is strong. He can pick up the weights. He is doing weightlifting. And what about the second picture? This guy is weak. Weak. He cannot pick up the weights. The first one here, noisy. Pa, طيخ, pa. Lots and lots of noise. And the other one, shh, be quiet. Quiet. So, noisy, and the opposite of noisy is quiet. Quiet. Noisy, quiet. Noisy, this boy is noisy, and this girl is quiet. Quiet. A mouse. What is a mouse like? It is small and gray. It is small and gray. The color of it is gray. An elephant is big and gray. So what is it like? What animal is big and gray? You're going to tell me? An elephant or the elephant. Okay, so the elephant is big and gray. What about the mouse? The mouse is small and gray. Both are gray in color. Both of them are gray. Okay, but one is big and the other one is small. The big one is the elephant, and the small animal is the mouse.
Listen, point, and say.
1. Long.
Long.
2. Short.
Short.
3. Big.
Big.
4. Small.
Small.
5. Quiet.
Quiet.
6. Noisy.
Noisy.
7. Weak.
Weak.
8. Strong.
Strong.
Guess what it is. Do the opposite action.
It's big. It's gray. What is it? It's a mouse. No, it's an elephant. A mouse is small. It's small. It's green and blue. What is it? It's a fish. No, it's noisy. It's a parrot. Yes, it's a parrot.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
Thanks for watching. Prepared by Ms. Noura Ghazali.